Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel AZ Education Adda. In this lecture, we will discuss one important problem of mathematics. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you if you want to get more important problems of mathematics, you can visit our website education-adda.com. Link of this website is also available in the description box of this video. Also, how you can get all these questions. See, you need to visit our website education-adda.com. Then go to menu option and select Academics Adda. Under Academics Adda, you need to select Math Important Questions. Okay, friends. One more thing, all these questions are available in the form of video lectures on our YouTube channel, and the playlist is titled as Math Important Questions. Okay. So coming back to the given problem, what is given here? See, in this problem, it is given that boxed and gone truck rental calculates its price. So a price function is given and it is given as px equal to 180 minus 3x. Okay, where price is in dollar and x is equal to number of trucks rented per day. Okay, and we have to find the number of trucks that boxed and gone should rent and price at which it should be rented to maximize the revenue. Also find the maximum revenue. Okay, so one by one we will solve. See, px is given. Px is the price function 180 minus 3x. Okay, so here you can see px equal to 180 minus 3x and number of trucks it is equal to x. Okay, so revenue can be calculated by multiplying px with x. Okay, that is price per truck into number of trucks. So revenue can be calculated in that way. So if we denote revenue function as Rx, then Rx will be equal to Px into X. Okay. Substituting Px by 180 minus 3x, which is given. So we will get Rx equal to 180x minus 3x square. So this is our revenue function. Now, if we want any function to be maximum or minimum, then its first derivative must be equated to 0. Okay, so we will calculate the first derivative of Rx and then equate it to 0. So you can see here dy dx of Rx equal to 0, and substituting Rx as calculated earlier, so it is d by dx of 180x minus 3x square, it should be equated to 0. And now we know that dy dx of fx plus minus gx equal to dy dx of fx plus minus dy dx of gx. Okay, so here it will be equal to dy dx of 180x minus dy dx of 3x square. Okay, so it will be equal to dy dx of 180x, as we know that d by dx equal to c into fx, so it will be equal to c into d by dx of fx. So we have taken out this 3, which is a constant term. Here also it can be taken out 180. So 180 will be coming here. So 180 into d by dx. Okay, d by dx of x only. Okay, so this can be written as 180 into d by dx of x minus 3 into d by dx of x square. Okay, sorry, this is x square and it must be equated to 0. Now d by dx of x will be equal to 1 and dy dx of x square will be equal to 2x, as we know the d by dx of x to the power n equal to nx n minus 1. So now calculating this, it will be equal to minus 6x equal to minus 180 after subtracting 180 from both sides. Okay, now we have minus 6 equal to minus 180, so dividing both sides by minus 6, we will get x equal to 30. Okay, so what is x? It is a number of trucks rented per day. Okay, so now we need to check whether Rx is maximum or minimum at x equal to 30. So if our second derivative will come negative, then it will be maximum. If it will come positive, then it will be a case of minimum. Okay, so first we will calculate the second derivative of Rx. So d2 by dx of Rx, it will be equal to dy dx of first derivative. This is first derivative of Rx. So it will be equal to d by dx into our 180 minus 6x, which we have used from equation 3 as calculated here only. See here. This is d by dx of Rx. Okay, we have calculated just. So we have substituted that one, and now it can be written as d by dx of 180 minus d by dx of 6x. Okay. Now for constant term, its derivative will be equal to 0, and d by dx of x to the power n will be equal to n x raised to the power n minus 1. So it will be 6 into 1. So here we can see our second derivative at x equal to 30 is equal to minus 6. So it will be a case of maximum, that is revenue will be maximum when x equal to 30. Okay. So second derivative, as it is Rx is negative, so Rx will be maximum at x equal to 30, and number of trucks as we have calculated it is equal to 30. Okay. Now we can calculate the price per rented truck. Okay, in dollar. So it can be written as 180 minus 3x, and substituting x equal to 30 we will get price as $90. Similarly, revenue can be calculated by substituting x equal to 30 in equation 2, and here it will be equal to 180 into x, and x is substituted as 30 minus 3 into x square. So x is substituted as 30 here only, and we will get $2,700. So we can summarize the result as quantity, that is number of trucks, is 30, price is equal to 90, and revenue will be equal to 2,700. Okay friends, so in this lecture we have discussed one important problem of mathematics. Okay, thank you.